Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today, in this video, I'll show you how to get more storage without using iPhone's internal and iCloud storage to save photos and videos. So, without further more delay, let's begin. So, firstly, just open the settings and now just scroll down below. Now just click on this apps. Now once again scroll down below again. Now just click on this photos. Now just turn on this shared album. Now just minimize it. Now just open the photos application. Now just click on this collection. Now just scroll down below again. Now you'll see here shared album. Now click on this start sharing. Now you can add a shared album photo and you can give a shared album name. Now click on create. So we have created one shared album. So you can create maximum up to 200 numbers of shared albums. So now let us click on this library again. Now, if you want to move the respective photo to a shared album, just tap and hold on it and just click on the share option. Now, you will see here add to shared album. Just click on it. So now click on this post. So this respective photo will be added on the shared album. So let us go to the collection again. Now you can see here it is being added in the shared album. So under the each shared album, you can add 5,000 photos and videos. So this shared album will not use your iPhone's internal and iCloud storage. So it will shape lots of storage and it will help you to get more storage without needing to use your iPhone's internal and iCloud storage. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily get more storage without using iPhone's internal and iCloud storage to save photos and videos very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.